Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to see that what do you need to do if your Microsoft Office is not working or if it is hanging or not responding. So Microsoft Office is actually a bunch of apps that includes PowerPoint, Word, Excel, etc. So in case it's not responding and you're not able to perform the necessary functions, then what do you need to do? So the first step is you need to press Windows R from your keyboard. That would bring up the run menu. Let me just bring it up on the middle of the screen so that you get a better look at it, and open services.msc. In open you need to type in services.msc, all in small, services.msc, and click on OK. Once you have done this, then this kind of a window will open that says services. So just click any of the service that is actually showing and click on P. We need to just go to these services that start with P. So just scroll down until and unless you find the sprint spooler. Make sure its status is running. If you just expand it, so you will be able to read its description. Here also the description is there that says the service pools print jobs and handles interactions with the printer. So it is actually a printing job, printing spooler. So how is it connected with your Microsoft Office apps? Because Microsoft Offices have a print option, and that is an integral part of the app. So many of times this print spooler is actually causing the issues, which make sure that your Microsoft apps are not responding to you. So that is actually a very difficult thing to find if it is nothing wrong with your Microsoft Office package. So here just right click, go to properties. In the starter type, make sure it is automatic. Click on apply. If it is not in automatic, just change it to automatic. Click on apply and click on OK, and then restart your system. Once you've restarted it, then your Microsoft apps would have been working fine. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.